Welcome back to Math with Aisha. Isn't it strange how minus minus suddenly becomes positive? You probably know the rules that same signs give positive results while different signs give negative results. But why exactly? If you listen for the next 4.5 minutes, I'm going to explain why that you may never need to memorize this rule again. So, why is minus minus positive? You have to know that the plus and minus signs have two different jobs. First is the act as an action, telling you what to do, or a tag, a number tag, telling you what a number is. Now, when the act as action, the positive sign tell you to add or increase. It's an action to add or increase, while the negative sign is an action to remove or reduce. And when they act as tags, the positive sign tells you that a number is a cash, what you are, like plus 5, while a negative sign tells you that a number is a debt, what you owe. So, the minus minus rule. In this, you have to know that the first minus is an action which tells you to remove. Whatever follows the action is what you want to remove, whether debt or money. You might intend to remove debt or money. So here we intend to remove debt. That means minus minus means remove debt. Now think about an action that removes debt for you. If you remove debt for someone, that means that person is gaining. So minus minus gives a positive result. Moving on, example we have minus minus 5. The first minus is telling you to remove whatever follows. And what follows is a debt of 5. That means remove a debt of 5. If someone removes a debt of 5 for you, that person makes you richer. You gain a plus 5. That means removing a debt of minus 5 for you makes you gain a plus 5 in rank. You used to have a debt of minus 5, but because the debt is erased, you moved up by 5. You moved from minus 5 to 0. You don't have money, but you don't have debt.
Let me give a more comprehensive scenario. Imagine you owe $5 and you are about to pay it. Just then, someone tells you your debt has been erased. Since you no longer owe the money, you keep the $5 you were about to pay. That's why removing a debt of $5 has the same effect as gaining $5. So minus minus 5 is a plus 5.
So we have plus plus. This is pretty simple, which means add cash. So adding cash means you gain.
So gaining is a positive result, which means plus plus is equals to plus. So we have our example plus plus 5, which means the first plus means add, followed by what to add, which is a cash of $5. So that means add a cash of $5. Adding a cash of $5 is gaining $5. So plus plus 5 is equals to plus 5. So next we have minus plus. The first minus means remove, and what follows is a tag, which means cash. Remove cash. Now think about an action of removing a cash. It is a loss. If cash is removed for you, it means you are losing. So minus plus is a negative result. Example, we have minus plus 5, which means remove $5. Remember, the first sign is an action and the second is a tag. Removing 5 of cash dollar means you are losing $5. That is a minus $5 for you. So next we have plus minus 5, which means add debt. Adding debt for you means you are losing. Adding debt means a loss, so plus minus is a negative answer. We have example plus minus 5, which means add a debt of $5. Imagine someone had a debt of $5 for you. That person makes you lose $5. So the result is a loss. And plus minus 5 is a minus 5 for you because it's minus 5 from your account or whatever you have.
Don't forget the concepts. The first sign means action, which tells you to do something on the sign that follows, which is a tag. So the two combination of signs gives a unique interpretation. So you understand that the minus minus means remove debts. So think about somebody removing debts. For you, that's a gain. The second plus plus, add cash. Think about somebody adding cash for you. That's a gain for you. Remove cash. The third one, minus plus, remove cash. So think about somebody removing your cash. You are losing. If they are removing your cash, you are losing. And finally, we have the plus minus, which is add debt. Imagine piling up more debt for you. That is a loss. That means you are losing. So you understand and you view the sign from different perception. Thank you. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and share. Do not make us your secret.